how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do well to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
Going to steal El-Rufai. You people know that I don't like that film. But now it's not about El-Rufai. It's not about Buhari. It's about every one of us. Even here, on our road, they are stealing people. It's not the army. The army man have a father. He has a mother. So is you. You have a wife. You have a mother. You have a father. You have a sister. So when you keep on pointing at the army man and refusing to act, refusing to do something, then your day will come when you will not know the day they will steal you. They want to dignify it. They say it's kidnapped. Oh, furu. Ntombo furu e. O menopu beking be can be oswa. Kidnapping. Kid. Ndokebo kid can be oswa. But kabato na na yeron. Oh, furu. They are stealing the. If you have volunteered here that you are going to meet them, raise your hand. Eyes up! Yeah! Eyes up! Yeah! Abuja, Mbaliti yo, Jay. Abuja. Echo! Calabari. You have been here. Some of you have been here for 1 week. Some have been here for 2 weeks from different communities. You are here for one thing. That the destiny of our people lies in our hands. Our own destiny lies in our hands. We have to go out there and look for them wherever they are. We told those other people that we are going to look for them. They were boasting on social media. Now, what is the scores? What is the scores? You go to your place. Say you are fighting for freedom. You start killing your people. You start praying for your people. You take There are people, you cut them. Look at the way they cut the private part of that soldier woman. She was still alive. Those people, we don't catch them. Those people, we don't catch them. Now we catch them. Those people where they cut that woman private part, now we catch them. This is a warning to anybody who is doing that. Wherever you are, we will catch you. We will not wait for anybody. We will look for you and Obasanjo put me in prison in 2005. I stayed there 22 months, 10 days. 22 months, 10 days. Underground and different detention centers. Since I came out, I told myself, if any German come to look for my trouble to fight me, I will run. I will not contribute to fight any German. If any Niger Delta man come to fight me, I will run. I have nothing to prove to anybody. I've already proven who I am. I've already proven who I am. Oyibo, the master, Oyibo, why Jinebia? Oyibo, the master, Oyibo. Oyibo, why you Jinebia? Oyibo,
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.